What's up, crypto fam? Welcome back to another Bitcoin Top 10 past 24 hours for April 29th. As always, links will be in the description, as well as 10% off crypto displays and a link to my coin tree with everything else over there. There won't be a video this weekend unless it's like a random video, and I'm not sure if there's going to be a video tomorrow. I've just been so busy. Number 10, people who buy cryptocurrency. I actually saw this earlier on Twitter, I want to say. Pretty funny. I won't play the whole thing here, but if anybody wants to check it out, links are in the description.
So simple. They dig for it down in the crypto mines, which is decentralized. That's important. At first, it's not crypto, it's Mogwai, which they then convert to gremlins using midi-chlorians, but only after midnight. Then they take that and run it through the blockchain.
Alright, so that's segment of that. Number 9, daily discussion, April 29th, 2021. This is just the general Bitcoin daily discussion. If you want to come and talk about Bitcoin things with other Bitcoiners, this is a good place to do it. My computer is running slow today. Alright. Number 8, Blockstream launches satellite base station, a single antenna that runs Bitcoin nodes without internet access. News.hodlhodl.com. From my understanding of the article, this appears to be a satellite relay for connecting existing terrestrial nodes to the chain, which leads me to wonder, isn't this an incredibly specific use case for what I imagine is the high cost of deploying and maintaining a satellite? They already, yeah, so, I mean, they don't own the satellite, but they have space on it, but they do run a Bitcoin node on the satellite, so. Oh my goodness, computer. Why are we being so slow today? There are too many things open. Number 8. Coinbase adds PayPal as payment option for US users. Bearish. See if that'll help at all. No. Just closed my Doge node that was syncing, but that didn't help. Why can't I? Okay, I can like that. Alright. That was a, yep. Number 6? Yeah, number 6. The world is our oyster. Come on, computer. I can't have you being all slow up on me today. I got stuff to do.
Scott, I'm sure that doesn't shock you. I went almost all in last November. I took the money that we were taking off the table as the market rallied, and I poured it into Bitcoin, and I was very happy with that as Bitcoin just screamed to the upside. And then this year went up another 120% so far. I think Bitcoin finishes the year over 100,000 this year, Judge. Whoa! So in other words, I'm looking at a double.
Huh. Interesting. So yeah, all clips are in the description if you want to check it out. Links are down below. Number 5. People are so clueless about Bitcoin and crypto. We're still so early. People are so clueless about Bitcoin, it's mind-boggling. For those who have been in it and around it for years and years, it makes you realize we're still so early. Yeah, Tesla bought 70,000 Bitcoins. Michael Saylor bought 90,000 Bitcoins. So many other big and small companies and high net worth individuals bought it and speak good things about it. Jack Dorsey and Square are building around it and believing in it. ETFs are about to approve all over the place. Big traditional investors are coming in. Heck, there are several politicians in the US that believe in Bitcoin's future. There are so many exciting new developments, new platforms, new technologies, new services that are constantly being built. But nothing of all this matters. Outsiders will stay outsiders. They just don't care. Their prejudice is too strong. We know it because we all were there at some point thinking it's a scam, that it will be outlawed, that it won't work, etc. But get ready, folks, because in my opinion, things are about to change. After a slow and steady grind, things will change suddenly and all at once. Just my 2 cents. I love that. Keep stacking them up. Awesome. I'm glad people are using my 2 sats. Number 4, Murphs go into war with BTC Aussie Crypto Shillionaire. Strayacoin mate. Satire. What? I'm so confused. Let's check out what this is, though. Alright. Oh man, it's 4 minutes. We are not watching all of this.
These people becoming millionaires off this cryptocurrency bullshit. And now look, I thought for a long time, what a fucking scam this shit is. Absolute pyramid scheme. But the dollars don't fucking lie, mate. So if you can't beat them, you might as well join them. Yep, you're now looking at Australia's latest crypto millionaire, mate.
Driving a Subaru.
Nah, fuck that, mate. That shit's a fucking scam. I'm all in on Strayacoin. See, last year I bought about 100 million coins.
Oh goodness. Alright, it's down below if everybody wants to see all of it. Number 3, Japanese game developer Nexon bought 100 million worth of Bitcoins. Yeah, old news. We saw it yesterday twice. Oh, this guy actually has some extra info. This would have been a lot cool. Nexon was founded in 1994. It's developed online games. Nexon went public on the Tokyo Stock Exchange in December of 2011. The company currently operates more than 50 online games in more than 190 countries. Earlier, the Hong Kong technology company Meitu, which produces smartphones and develops software, brought its investments in cryptocurrency to 100 million. At the same time, Elon Musk's Tesla announced that it sold 272 million worth of Bitcoins at the end of March, with a profit of 101 million. The automaker's CFO, Zach Kirkhorn, stressed that the company believes in the long-term value of Bitcoin and intends to maintain current assets in cryptocurrency and continue to accumulate coins received as payment for cars. Yeah, for Tesla. The largest Bitcoin holder among public companies is MicroStrategy. According to Bitcoin Treasuries, it owns 91,500 Bitcoin worth about $5 billion. Wow, that's nuts. Number 2, hope Bitcoin hits 1 million, but I have to unsubscribe. This place is an unhealthy echo chamber of delusion and speculation with little focus on the actual technology. Just FYI, $1 million Bitcoin is only like 2,000% away. Just think about that. That's a lot closer to 2 million. Bitcoin's a lot closer to 1 million than it is to 0. I've been in Bitcoin since late 2017, and it's even sparked enough curiosity to send me back to school for CPU engineering. However, as of late, I've noticed more and more bullish sentiment, which I love. However, it seems to be diluted, unfortunately, due to the sheer number of absolute shills who seem to have little to no understanding of blockchain tech or the ecosystem. Yes, it's dangerous for companies to put large portions of their cash on their balance sheets into highly volatile assets. This isn't rocket science, since people also isn't a damnation of Bitcoin in itself. Yet after pointing out the simple fact, I've received several nasty anon DMs from one little comment. Be kind to one another, stack sats, and spread knowledge. Take care. I'll check back in at 25,000 or something. Interesting. Huh. See you back on my... That's hilarious. Oh my goodness. Alright, number 1. Thomas Jefferson, quote, on Bitcoin. If the American people ever allow private banks to control the issue of their currency, first by inflation, then by deflation, the banks and corporations that will grow up around them will deprive the people of all property until their children wake up homeless on the continent their fathers conquered. I believe that banking institutions are more dangerous to our liberties than standing armies. The issuing power should be taken from the banks and restored to the people to whom it properly belongs. Thomas Jefferson. Satoshi Nakamoto took the power from the banks and restored it to the people to whom it properly belongs. That's awesome. Without even having to talk about Bitcoin, this explains exactly why Bitcoin is needed. Anyway, that's it for our Bitcoin top 10 past 24 hours. As always, everything's down below. Peace, love, and hodl.